How to start a new order in iDryclean Smart POS. A step-by-step guide for the front counter. Congratulations, you know how to add new orders. Next, learn how to add locations to orders to flag them as ready for pickup. Step 1. Find the customer. We will discuss how to add a customer later. Step 2. Choose a department. Departments are set up by you. Step 3. Add garments that are in the chosen department. Step 4. Add details like colors, patterns, and upcharges. Step 5. Set preferences like starch, finish, and the ready by date. Step 6. Hold orders, print estimates. And finally, accept the order, take payment, or let them pay at pickup, and print the ticket. Find an existing customer by last name or last 4 digits of their home phone number. Let's build an order. Click on the department at the top and all garments for that department will show on the tiles. Click on each garment you want to add to an order. Each garment is on its own line by default for individual markup. Add colors, patterns, and upcharges to each garment. Click the Quantity button to change the quantity and/or the price. Add customer preferences. Click on the Starch button to change the customer's default starch for this order. Click on the Finish button to select how the garments will be finished. Click on the Pickup date to change the default Ready on date for the order. When satisfied, click on the Accept New Order button. Special operations, hold orders, print estimates. Hold order lets you detail an order and then hold it while you help a different customer. All held orders will be shown for selection when new orders are being made. Print Estimate will print an estimate of the order to give to the customer. Accept order and take payment. Once you have finished detailing an order, click on the Accept New Order button. You can have the customer pay at pickup or pay now. For pay at pickup, the order will be completed. Find the customer again and you will see this new order in their list of orders. Order number 27 shows with the status or not racked and nothing prepaid. Now let's add another order of 10 pounds of wash dry fold. Accept the order, and this time the customer is paying for the order now in cash. Enter the payment type of cash. And click on the Save Order and Prepay button. You will see the payment confirmation screen. Now John Doe has 2 orders in their list. Both not racked, but order 28 has a prepaid amount.